Market Saigon food delivery trial package. So I'd like to unbox this Market Saigon package. It has gorgeous looking purple eco bag, like it's not canvas, maybe canvas, yes, canvas bag. And in there, oh wow, we have beef intestine. I love this one so much, my soul food. And this is also a beef big intestine. Yeah, this is the small intestine of the beef. It's frozen. And 2 packs of small intestines of the beef. And then, yeah, so we have this 4. On top of that, we have Black Angus, LA Galbi. Whoa, it looks really nice. By North Korea origin chef Chun Choru. All right, and we have this teeny tiny cute craft paper bag. If I open this one, we have, oh wow, this one is smoked sous vide chicken breast. Ooh, nice. And another one. And look at this. I love this one when I was in Korea. So this is like a soy sauce. It's pretty much like a soy vinegar and sugar together. So it's like a meat sauce. So I can slice some spring onions and like chives, and I can mix them up with using this sauce. It's super nice, super yummy. All right, so I have this trial pack. Sadly, I'm not chosen. I didn't have enough likes, I guess. But I have 4 packs of beef intestines, 2 packs of sous vide chicken breasts, sous vide cooked chicken breasts, and 1 pack of probably about like 500 grams Black Angus LA Galbi. Whoa, LA ribs. All right, so I'm going to review this one later on, but thank you so much for sending everything like this in a gorgeous box. Market Saigon. After trying this one, if they are so nice, I'm definitely I'd like to purchase your product a lot more. Thank you so much. Bye bye.